Speak to the Lord and ask for a life-changing encounter. I've not just come to attend another conference so I would have pictures and stories to tell. No, I want to have an encounter. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Would you open the eyes of my heart? I want to see you. I want to see you. Is that your prayer? Can you lift your voices and sing it? Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. Yes, I want to see you. We'll sing it just one more time. Sing it from the depth of your heart. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. Lord, I want to see you. I want to see you. Yes, Lord. To see you high. Shining in the light of your glory. Would you pour out your power and love as we sing holy, holy. Just the voices. To see you high. This is our desire. This is why we are gathered. Shining in the light. And in this place tonight, pour out your power. Holy, holy. Say, I want to see you. Lord, I want to see. Open my eyes, Father, to see. I want to see. So we bow as we enter the throne room, and we cast ourselves down, at your feet, and we cry, holy, thou art holy. There is none like you. In your presence is where I have before the throne is where we stand to offer praise and seek wisdom, for you have torn the veil that separates. We're no more outside. We're now in your grace. Can we lift our hands? Oh, so we bow as we enter the throne room. Hey, There is grace as we enter the throne room. Oh, there is glory as we enter the throne. And in your presence is where Yahweh, Father of mercy, we come to you. Yahweh, Father of mercy, we come to you. Oh, Father of mercy, we come to you. Oh, Father of mercy. Can we lift it up as one people? Sing Yahweh, Father of mercy, we come to you. Oh Yahweh, we present ourselves before you, unable to help ourselves, unable to change ourselves. Whoa, Father of mercy, we come. Whoa, can you lift up that cry of mercy? We come boldly before his throne and sing Yahweh, Father of mercy, we come to you. Yahweh,